Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're ditching the treadmill and getting our sweat on with a super effective 5-minute workout that replaces your high-intensity cardio. That's right, just 5 minutes. You can literally do this anywhere, anytime, no excuses. Every training is fun, especially when you know you're going to see amazing results. In just 30 days, you'll be surprised to find a so much slimmer and fitter body in the mirror. No more dreading those long cardio sessions. We're all about maximizing efficiency here. So why do we make the first step to your transformed body right now? Let's start. You don't even have to start your stopwatch. I'll be counting for you. Okay, let's start strong with a full plank. This exercise is fantastic for building core strength and stability. It's a fundamental move that engages multiple muscle groups at once, making it incredibly efficient. Lie down with your belly on the floor. Take a moment to center yourself and prepare mentally for the exercise. This initial position is crucial for setting up a strong foundation. Now, place your hands shoulder-width apart, directly beneath your shoulders like you're about to do a push-up. Ensure your fingers are spread out for better stability and grip. Now raise your body up onto your toes, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and glutes to maintain this alignment. Your body should form a perfect plank, like a solid, unyielding board. Imagine your back is a tabletop, nice and flat. This visualization helps in maintaining the correct posture. Avoid arching your back or letting your hips drop. We're holding this for 60 seconds. Don't worry, you got this. Focus on your breathing and stay strong. Each second you hold this position, you're building endurance and strength. Plank is one of the best exercises for core conditioning. It not only targets your abs, but also engages your entire body, making it a comprehensive workout. It strengthens your abs, but also works your glutes and hamstrings, supports proper posture, and improves balance. This multifunctional exercise is a staple in any fitness routine. How are you doing? Remember to breathe. Proper breathing is essential to maintain your stamina and keep your muscles oxygenated. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Keep that core engaged. This breathing technique helps you stay calm and focused. Don't let your hips sag. You're doing amazing. Keep your body in that straight line, and remember, form is more important than duration. Okay, just 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel the burn and embrace the challenge. You're almost there. Wow, that's great. Let's try the next one. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing and you'll see amazing results. All right, time for the elbow plank. From our full plank position, slowly lower down onto your forearms. Keep those elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Again, your body should form a straight line from head to toe. No sagging those hips. We're holding this one for 30 seconds. Come on, you can do it. Elbow plank is a staple in yoga for a reason. It's absolutely healthy for your body and will keep you energized for the whole day. Remember to breathe. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. Engage that core and think about pulling your belly button towards your spine. You're doing fantastic. Keep pushing. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. You are super duper. I'm amazed. Let's step it up a notch with the raised leg plank. This exercise is a fantastic way to challenge your core stability and strength. It's not just about holding a plank, it's about adding that extra element to really push your limits and see what your body is capable of. Starting in the elbow plank position, we're going to lift one leg at a time. Make sure your elbows are directly under your shoulders and your body forms a straight line from head to heels. This is your starting point, and from here we add the challenge. Engage your core and lift your right leg up towards the ceiling. As you lift, focus on keeping your hips level and your core tight. This movement not only works your abs, but also engages your glutes and lower back muscles. Keep your legs straight and aim for hip height or higher if you can. Remember to breathe. Inhale as you prepare and exhale as you lift your leg. Breathing helps maintain your rhythm and keeps your muscles oxygenated. It's super important to keep breathing, especially when you're working hard. Hold that leg up. You're doing amazing. Feel the burn in your core and glutes. This is where the magic happens, where you build strength and endurance. This exercise is a powerhouse. It not only strengthens your core, but also improves your overall stability and balance. The raised leg plank is a full body workout in itself. It strengthens your core, glutes and hamstrings and improves your balance. 3, 2, 1. Feel the engagement in every muscle as you hold this position. It's a true test of your strength and endurance. Gently lower your right leg back down. Control the movement to maximize the benefit. Lowering your leg with control is just as important as lifting it. Now, repeat on the other side. Switch legs and get ready to lift your left leg. Remember, form is key. Keep your body straight and your core engaged. Lift that left leg up, keeping your core engaged and your body in a straight line. You're almost there. 2, 1. Feel the strength in your body as you hold this position. You're doing fantastic. Great. See, you can do it. You've just completed a challenging exercise that will help you build a stronger, more stable core. Keep practicing and you'll see amazing results. Time to work those obliques with a side plank. Roll onto your left side and prop yourself up on your left forearm. Make sure your elbow is directly beneath your shoulder. Extend your legs out straight, stacking your right foot on top of your left. Now engage your core and lift your hips off the ground until your body forms a diagonal line. You should feel this in your obliques, those side abdominal muscles. Hold it strong. Side plank is amazing for a tiny waist and strong core. It also strengthens your shoulders and arms. Remember to breathe. Keep that core engaged and don't let your hips drop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, you're a rock star. Now, let's switch sides and repeat that side plank on the right side. Roll onto your right side and prop yourself up on your right forearm, elbow directly beneath your shoulder. Extend your legs out straight, stacking your left foot on top of your right. Engage your core and lift those hips high, forming a straight line from head to heels. Hold it strong. Remember to breathe. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. You're doing amazing. Keep those hips lifted and your core engaged. Don't let yourself sink into that shoulder. You're almost there. Just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, just 2 exercises left. Back to the full plank. Remember this one? Place your hands shoulder width apart on the ground, directly beneath your shoulders. Step back into that high plank position, balancing on your hands and toes. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. We're holding this one for 30 seconds. You got this. Remember, engage your core and don't let your hips sag. Keep your back flat and your body in a straight line. You're a plank superhero. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Keep that core engaged and those hips lifted. You're doing amazing. Just a few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. And one last exercise to go. All right, last exercise. We're finishing strong with an elbow plank. From our full plank position, slowly lower down onto your forearms, keeping your elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from head to toe. Hold that plank strong. We're holding this one for a final 60 seconds. Remember, engage your core, breathe deeply, and don't let your hips sag. You're almost there. Keep pushing. I know you can do it. You're so close to finishing this amazing workout. Remember, you're stronger than you think. Keep that core engaged and those hips lifted. All right, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you've done it. You are a god of plank. Give yourself a high five. You crushed it. You showed up, you pushed through, and you made it to the end. That's no small feat, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Remember, every bit of effort counts. And today, you've taken a significant step towards your fitness goals. That was just 5 minutes, but I know you feel the burn. It's amazing how much you can achieve in such a short amount of time. These high-intensity workouts are designed to maximize your effort and give you the best results in the least amount of time. So if you're feeling exhausted, that's a good sign. It means you've pushed your limits and challenged your body. This workout is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and burn calories without any equipment. You don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive gear to get in shape. All you need is a bit of space, some determination, and a willingness to push yourself. These exercises can be done anywhere, anytime, making it easy to fit a quick workout into your busy schedule. All right, and here is your daily workout plan summary that might be handy. Keeping track of your progress is crucial. It helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Whether you prefer a digital plan on your phone or a printed chart, make sure to review it regularly and adjust your goals as needed. Number 1, full plank, 1 minute. This exercise is excellent for building core strength and stability. Make sure to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and glutes. 2 elbow plank, 30 seconds. This variation targets your core even more intensely. Keep your elbows directly under your shoulders and maintain a straight line with your body. 3 raised leg plank, right leg 30 seconds, left leg 30 seconds. This move adds an extra challenge by engaging your glutes and hamstrings. Alternate legs to ensure balanced strength development. 4 right side plank, 30 seconds. Side planks are fantastic for targeting your obliques. Keep your body in a straight line and avoid letting your hips drop. 5 left side plank, 30 seconds. Just like the right side, this exercise will help you build a strong, stable core. Focus on maintaining good form throughout. 6 full plank, 30 seconds. This is a great way to finish strong. Hold that plank and feel the burn in your core, shoulders and legs. 7 elbow plank, 1 full minute. This final exercise will test your endurance and core strength. Stay focused and keep breathing. And one last thing before we say goodbye today. Once you feel that you're ready to intensify your workout, try not to lie down on the floor between the exercises and just keep your body up while changing the arms position. This will keep your muscles engaged and help you build even more strength and endurance. Yeah, you can do it. I'm sure you can make it. See you tomorrow. Remember, consistency is key. Keep showing up, keep pushing yourself, and you'll see amazing results over time. Have you tried plank exercises before? They are one of the most effective ways to build core strength and stability. Plus, there are so many variations to keep things interesting and challenging. Share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're progressing and any tips you might have for others. Your journey can inspire and motivate others in the community. Remember, to get the desired results, you need good nutrition supported by working out. Buy Herbalife nutritional weight loss products, muscle building products, skincare products and hair care products on the link provided below. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to Kelvin Yassi's channel to stay on the bright side of life. By subscribing, you'll get regular updates and new workouts to keep you motivated and on track. Thanks for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in the next session.